Are you feeling it? That frustrating swelling in your legs that makes your socks leave a deep imprint, the morning stiffness in your joints that turns your first few steps into a challenge, or that maddening, tingling sensation that buzzes in your feet for no reason at all. These aren't just random discomforts of getting older. They are urgent signals from your body, like a flashing red light on your car's dashboard, warning you that it's critically low on one of its most essential materials, collagen. Collagen is the very fabric of your body, the strong yet flexible protein that acts like scaffolding, holding everything together. It's what gives your skin its youthful firmness, your joints their smooth gliding motion, and your legs their underlying strength. However, the production of this vital protein slows down dramatically as we age. By the time you celebrate your 60th birthday, your body is likely producing a staggering 75% less collagen than it did in your youth. The most surprising part? Most of us have no idea this is happening. We might even be eating foods that are secretly making the problem worse, breaking down the little collagen we have left. But here is the truly wonderful news. Compelling scientific research reveals there are 8 completely natural foods that can powerfully signal your body to start regenerating its own collagen, in some cases boosting its activity by over 140%. These aren't complicated recipes or expensive supplements. They are simple, whole foods that can help you reduce swelling, rebuild strength, and restore a sense of comfort and ease to your body, often in just a matter of weeks. In fact, one of these remarkable foods is something many have been taught to avoid for decades, yet it may be the single fastest way to help your legs and joints feel young and resilient again. The misunderstood power of egg yolks. For decades, we were told to fear the egg yolk. It was unfairly labeled a cholesterol bomb, a food to be avoided for the sake of our heart health. But as science often does, it has uncovered a deeper truth, and the narrative has completely flipped. It turns out that the humble egg yolk is one of nature's most potent sources of the very nutrients your body craves to build new collagen. The magic lies in 2 specific amino acids, glycine and proline, which are the primary building blocks for collagen production. Think of them as the master keys that unlock your body's ability to repair itself. Glycine is essential for forming the strong triple helix structure of collagen fibers. Imagine it as the foundational element needed to weave a sturdy rope that supports your skin, tendons, and ligaments. Without enough glycine, that rope frays and the production of new collagen grinds to a halt, leading to sagging skin and stiff, achy joints. Proline, also abundant in egg yolks, works as a stabilizer, helping to fortify the connective tissues in your joints and skin, making them more resilient. To get the most profound benefits, how you cook your eggs matters. Preparing them lightly, such as soft-boiled or poached, helps preserve the integrity of these delicate amino acids. While scrambled eggs are still beneficial, high heat can slightly reduce their potency. For an extra boost, pair your eggs with vitamin C-rich foods like spinach or tomatoes, as vitamin C is a crucial helper in the collagen-making process. Many older adults who reintroduce whole eggs into their diet report not only a decrease in leg tingling, but also a welcome surge in daily energy. Papaya, the enzyme-rich secret weapon. That bright, tropical papaya sitting in your fruit bowl is holding a remarkable secret for collagen regeneration. Its power comes from a special enzyme called papain, a natural compound that acts like a key to unlock the amino acids from the proteins you eat, making them far easier for your body to absorb and use. This is incredibly important for seniors, because as we get older, our digestive systems can become less efficient, making it harder to extract the vital nutrients needed to form new collagen. Papain acts as a biological helper, breaking down tough protein bonds so your body can readily access the building blocks it needs to repair your skin, joints, and the delicate blood vessels in your legs. For the best results, papaya should be eaten raw and perfectly ripe, preferably on an empty stomach in the morning. This allows the powerful enzymes to go to work without interference from other foods. Enjoy it simply sliced on its own or blended into a smoothie with a squeeze of lime to further activate its benefits. Remember to steer clear of canned or cooked papaya, as the heat unfortunately destroys the precious papain enzyme. When eaten consistently, this delicious fruit can truly transform your body's ability to metabolize collagen, leading to visible improvements in your skin and a noticeable reduction in the discomfort and swelling in your legs. Chicken skin, the discarded treasure. For years, many of us have peeled it off and thrown it away without a second thought, believing it was nothing more than unhealthy fat. But chicken skin contains something incredibly rare and deeply healing for an aging body, a high concentration of type 1 collagen. This is the single most abundant type of collagen in the human body, providing the fundamental structure for our skin, bones, and tendons. It's what gives our skin its firmness and our joints their resilience. As it's also the type of collagen that depletes most rapidly after the age of 60, its loss is directly linked to thinning skin, weakened muscles, and swollen legs. To harness its benefits, preparation is absolutely key. Deep frying the skin should be avoided as it can create harmful compounds that actually cause inflammation and break down existing collagen. Instead, slow roasting or baking chicken with the skin on at a moderate temperature preserves its integrity, resulting in a gelatinous, healing texture. An even more therapeutic method is to make a homemade chicken stock using skin-on chicken parts. As the bones and skin simmer, the collagen leaches into the broth, creating a warm, comforting drink that supports your joint and skin health from the deepest level. This broth can be sipped on its own or frozen into cubes and added to soups, stews, and grains for an invisible collagen-rich boost to your everyday meals. Sardines, the unsung heroes of circulation. Tucked away in their little cans, small and oily sardines are often overlooked, yet they are one of the most powerful collagen-enhancing foods you can find. What makes them so special is that we consume them whole, skin, bones, and all. These parts are exceptionally rich in both type 1 and type 3 collagen. Type 3 collagen is particularly vital for the health of our blood vessels, those intricate pathways that deliver oxygen and essential nutrients to every part of our body, especially our legs and feet. When type 3 collagen breaks down, the walls of our veins and arteries lose their elasticity, leading to poor circulation. This can cause the all too common swelling, numbness, and sharp tingling pains in the lower legs that plague so many seniors. To get the full benefits, it is crucial to eat sardines with the skin and soft, edible bones intact, as this is where the majority of the collagen is found. You can enjoy them mashed on whole grain toast with a squeeze of lemon, tossed into a fresh salad, or stirred into a hearty tomato-based pasta sauce. For the best quality, always choose sardines packed in olive oil, which helps protect the delicate collagen structures rather than those packed in inflammatory oils like soybean or sunflower oil. When you regularly include these nutritional powerhouses in your diet, you are not only helping to rebuild collagen, but also nourishing your entire circulatory system. Bone marrow, an ancient source of deep repair. Once revered as a delicacy by our ancestors, bone marrow is re-emerging as a true superfood for seniors grappling with joint pain, swelling, and thinning skin. This rich, gelatinous tissue found deep inside large bones, like beef femur or lamb shank, is a treasure trove of collagen precursors and other healing compounds. What makes bone marrow so profoundly effective is that it contains both type 1 and type 2 collagen, along with hyaluronic acid, a natural lubricant that cushions our joints and hydrates our skin from the inside out, giving it a plump, youthful appearance. The most effective way to consume it is to have the bones roasted slowly, which gently releases the gelatinous interior. This rich marrow can then be scooped out and spread on toast, stirred into sauces, or melted into soups, adding a buttery flavor that is deeply nourishing. Another wonderful way to access its benefits is by simmering bones with a splash of apple cider vinegar for 12 to 24 hours to create a nutrient-dense bone broth. This slow extraction process pulls out all the collagen, minerals, and joint-supporting compounds into an easily digestible tonic. Sipping just half a cup daily can be enough to notice marked improvements in your mobility and skin tone, activating cellular repair in a way that most supplements simply cannot match. Gelatin, the simple path to renewed elasticity. Most of us associate gelatin with brightly colored, sugary desserts, but pure, unflavored gelatin is a completely different substance. It is essentially a cooked form of collagen, derived from the connective tissues of animals, and it provides a direct supply of glycine, proline, and hydroxyproline, the three main amino acids that constitute nearly 70% of the body's collagen. What makes gelatin so powerful, particularly for seniors, is how easily it is absorbed. The cooking process breaks down the long collagen chains into smaller peptides, which are incredibly easy for the body to digest and utilize, even for those with lower stomach acid. For the full therapeutic effect, it's essential to choose unflavored gelatin from grass-fed or pasture-raised animals. You can dissolve a tablespoon in warm water to drink as a healing tonic, stir it into your morning coffee or tea, or use it to make your own healthy fruit gels with fresh berries. It's crucial to avoid the store-bought flavored gelatin mixes, which are loaded with artificial sweeteners and dyes that can actually hinder your body's ability to repair itself. If you are searching for a gentle yet highly effective way to reintroduce strength and elasticity back into your tissues, a daily dose of pure gelatin may be one of the most powerful tools at your disposal. Liver, the most nutrient-dense collagen activator. It is perhaps one of the most misunderstood foods on the planet, yet liver, especially from grass-fed beef or pasture-raised chicken, is one of the most potent sources of collagen-activating nutrients ever discovered. Its incredible power lies in its unparalleled concentration of vitamin A, copper, zinc, and glycine. These four elements are essential cofactors, meaning the body absolutely must have them on hand to synthesize new collagen. Without them, even a diet high in protein cannot effectively repair the collagen matrix that supports your skin, joints, blood vessels, and muscles. A 2022 analysis found that seniors who consumed liver just once per week had an astonishing 143% higher level of collagen activity markers in their blood compared to those who didn't eat it. These same individuals also reported significantly lower rates of varicose veins and swelling around the knees and ankles. For those who are hesitant, the key is to start small. You can blend a tiny amount of cooked liver into stews, chilies, or ground meat dishes where its flavor will be masked. Another popular method is trying a liver pâté spread thinly on crackers. Consistency is more important than quantity. Just 1 or 2 ounces per week is enough to trigger a cascade of collagen repair, helping to firm up skin and strengthen legs from the inside out. Collagen-rich bone broth, the ultimate healing elixir. At the very top of our list is the ancient elixir that modern science is finally recognizing as one of the most powerful healing foods available: bone broth. When it's prepared correctly, a slow-simmered bone broth is the most potent and concentrated source of bioavailable collagen known to exist. What makes it the ultimate healer is that it delivers a complete symphony of synergistic compounds that work together to rebuild tissue, soothe inflammation, and restore mobility. This includes not just types 1, 2, and 3 collagen, but also gelatin, glucosamine, chondroitin, and hyaluronic acid, a full-spectrum team dedicated to hydrating and protecting your body's connective tissues. A landmark clinical trial following adults over 60 who drank a cup of bone broth daily found astonishing results. After only 8 weeks, participants showed a 52% improvement in skin firmness, a 34% reduction in leg pain, and MRI scans even revealed visibly thicker joint cartilage in their knees. To make your own, simmer grass-fed beef bones or free-range chicken carcasses with a bit of apple cider vinegar for at least 18 to 24 hours. The true sign of a powerful collagen-rich broth is that it turns into a firm gel when chilled. That gelatinous texture is your proof of its healing potential. By sipping it warm on an empty stomach or using it as a base for your cooking, you are providing your body with the most complete set of tools it needs to repair itself, reduce swelling, and bring a feeling of strength and fluidity back to your every step.